Do you ever wake up heart pounding, wondering if you'll ever crack the code to financial freedom? Or maybe you burn through one business idea after another, each one fizzling out, leaving you frustrated. Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and I've been there. I've tried dozens of business ventures from eBay to crypto, you name it, it all flopped. Then I found Amazon KDP and everything changed. Over 2,000 books published, 6 figures in royalties, and a life I designed. So today I'm sharing a lazy shortcut to your own KDP success. My goal is to help you become self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Today we're diving into a red hot niche, the bold and easy food themed coloring books. Think burgers, fries, candy, stuff people obsess over. I did some digging into Amazon and I found a sub niche packed with low quality books with smudgy designs and dull covers, yet they're actually selling. All you need to do is create a sharper, high quality book and you can sell these profits. And I'll show you how in about 10 minutes. My first coloring book, I actually threw it together on a whim, sold 18 copies in a week, so I know this works. All you have to do is watch this video. Why is this critical? The economy is a mess. Per Reuters, over 170,000 layoffs hit in 2025 alone. People are scrambling for ways to earn from home. No big investment needed. This food coloring book niche isn't just a gig, it's your ticket to stability. So in this video, I'll walk you through creating a pro level KDP coloring book where Amazon's gonna handle the printing, the shipping, and everything else. All you have to do is create the book. Wait too long and someone else is gonna grab your slice of the pie. By the end of the video, you'll be ready to launch your own book and start cashing in. With that being said, let's get started. Now with the bold and easy coloring book niche being so popular these days, so I did a little bit of digging into Amazon. I found a sub niche that has a lot of potential. And why do I say that? Well, I'm gonna show you in a bit. But the niche is actually the pickle coloring book. Now you can take this a lot of different ways. You can create a regular pickle coloring book. You could do the bold and easy type, which is this 8.5 by 8.5 size coloring book. There's a lot of different ways you can go about this. But as I did some research, I'm going to show you exactly why I think this has a lot of potential. Now, first off, we're going to use Titan's Quick View. I use this in all of my niche research videos, and I look specifically for a couple things. Number one has to do with the total results. And so right here, we see total results of 443. I typically like to look for results about 1,000 or less, which is going to tell me that the competition is not too competitive, which means there's not a lot of books here that you have to compete with to get onto this first page of Amazon where all or most of the sales happen. Now, the next thing that we look at is going to be the bestsellers rank. On the first page, we specifically look for 3 or more books that have a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below, which is just going to tell me that these books are selling consistently at about 1 book per day, which means that there is some type of demand here for this niche. And so if we go through the first page, number 1 book right here, Cozy Pickle, we see has a book ranking of 254,000, so that's a good sign. The next book is 291,000, Cozy Pickle Life. We see some books here not doing so well, but the reviews are pretty good here, so these books have a chance. Now if we scroll down, we're gonna get this book just above 300,000, but is still selling pretty well. And then this book right here, which is a 8.5 by 11 inch pickle coloring book, ranked at 238,000. Now, the other thing that I noticed is a lot of these books that are ranking pretty well are quite recent. This one was just published this year, and then these other 2 were also just published this year, which is telling me that there is a lot of potential here and that this pickle coloring book niche could be a niche that you focus on and create a high quality coloring book and pretty much take the sales that a lot of these other books are not taking because a lot of them are low quality. And what do I mean by that? I mean, look at the covers, not very great. And when we dive into the interiors of these books, you're going to see that they are not high quality interiors, which I'm going to show you how to create high quality interiors in just about 10 minutes so you can have your book up and running on Amazon as soon as possible. Now, the other thing that I look at is the niche score. We see a 53 here, and I typically like to look for a score of 50 and above. And then the other things here, exact match, 2 out of 48, which basically means how many books on this first page are using this exact keyword in their title. And how many books here are independently published books? So 46 out of the 48 books on the first page are all independently published, meaning they're from self-publishers like you and I. Now, the average bestsellers rank at 1.8 million. Although I do see a lot of potential here for this niche, still quite a new niche. So there's a lot of room for you to take advantage of a lot of sales, because if we see for the average reviews, only one, which means there's still a lot of books here, fairly new, still racking up reviews. Now, the average price, $8.81, but with the recent royalty change on Amazon, I'm going to price these books at $9.99 just to get that better royalty, because once you start pricing it below $9.99, the royalties really get slashed a lot, which you might or might not care about. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is the Cozy Pickle Bold and Easy Coloring Book, ranked at 254,000. So this book is priced at $7.99. It's going to be pretty low on the royalties, because if we use Amazon's print cost and royalty calculator and put all the details in, 8.5 by 8.5 inches, 123 page count with a list price of $7.99, we see the estimated royalty on the Amazon.com marketplace with that new 50% royalty change from 60% for any books less than $9.99. Your estimated royalty for this book is going to be 90 cents. So is that really worth it? Now, if you were to price this at $9.99, you're going to see that the royalties go up significantly to $2.90. Also, you want to keep your page count a little bit low. 123 pages is going to increase the printing cost. So instead of 60 unique coloring pages like this book has, think about maybe just 40 unique coloring pages. And with this type of coloring book, the standard is really about 40 coloring pages. We can go through some of these pages. There's not really anything that we can see. However, here's one right here. And then on the back cover, we see 6 interiors. So it can give us a little bit of an idea of how to create this type of book. Now, if we check out this book, this is the Cozy Pickle Life Bold and Easy Coloring Book. Right away, I already see an issue with the title. You don't really want to have this going on right here. You want to keep your titles clean as possible. This one has about 40 images, however, 88 pages in total length, priced at that $9.99. So this is really what you're going to try to aim for, is about 80 to 90 pages with a price of $9.99. However, this book I can already see has a very low quality cover. As you can see, it's very blurry. And if we go ahead and look at the sample to check out the interiors, we're going to see very simple interior, only one interior right here. And if we go through the first page here, we can see no A+ content. So this tells me that there's a lot of people interested in pickle coloring books. So they're just buying right now, trying to see which one does well. So if we put up a book that is high quality, we can kind of grab those sales instead of giving them to these books that have a low quality cover. As you can see how blurry that is. It's very easy to just create a high quality cover. Now, if we look through the first page again here and take the best-selling book in this niche, which is this one right here, which is this Emotional Support Pickles. This one has a rank of 238,688, priced at $10.49. So if I put that information into the print cost and royalty calculator on Amazon KDP, 8.5 by 11, 88 page count, $10.49, we see an estimated royalty on the Amazon.com marketplace, 60% royalty because it's priced at $9.99 or higher, instead of the 50% that we see if you price it lower than $9.99. Estimated royalty, $3.45. Now, if we go over here to this Amazon KDP book sales calculator, we put that bestsellers rank of 238,688. We can see estimated book sales 30 per month. So if we take our calculator, 30 times $3.45, we can see that this book averages about $100 per month, which is not so bad because there's not a lot of work to be done on this type of book. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making this book right now in about 10 minutes. Now, an easy way to create this type of book is by using this program called Nurier Creator. And you're going to come up with a lot of these options, but really I just use AI generation. I use this DFY tab, which allows you to put a main character description. I chose Pickle reading a book. Actually, I chose a bunch right here. You can read them right here. There's 10. I just used AI to basically give me a random sort of prompts. Smiling pickle with big eyes. And then I chose my art style. So some of them I chose clip art style, and then some of them I chose kawaii style because I wanted to see the difference in the styles. So we see smiling pickle with big eyes in a clip art style, dancing pickle with shoes in a clip art style, and so on and so forth. And then all you have to do is you can choose no background or a background layer assist, which will basically fill out the background of that page. Select your image size, which here's all the image sizes right here, but for this book, 8.5 by 8.5 inches. And then the line thickness, I wanted thick, and then just hit generate images. Now in a couple of minutes, it's gonna come up with these images. Now keep in mind this tool, along with all of the art generators that you're gonna use, they're not perfect. However, as you get better with prompts, you can get better images. So for this one, we can see smiling pickle with big eyes in a clip art style. Now, these obviously need some work, but it is a good starting point. Now, if we go to the next one, dancing pickle with shoes in a clip art style, this one is a little bit better. Obviously, we see they're not perfect here, but this first image is actually pretty good. Now, the next one right here, pickle holding a balloon in a clip art style. I wouldn't use any of these. However, with a little bit of tweaking with this prompt, this could probably be a little bit better. Now this one is not a pickle, this actually is a dog, so we're gonna skip this. Now we're gonna go to the next set of images, which is images 17 to 32. Once again, this is not a perfect art generator, but you are gonna get some great ones like this. Superhero pickle with a cape in a kawaii style. As you can see, there's a couple here that could go pretty well with this coloring book. Now this one, pickle with sunglasses in a kawaii style. All of these look pretty good. You could actually use any one of these and it would go great with the pickle coloring book. Now this pickle playing guitar is not really a pickle. So we move on to the last set of images and we see this one, pickle inside a jar in a kawaii style, which this one right here, the third one, actually looks pretty good. And then the last one is pickle reading a book in a kawaii style, which from these 4 images, I kind of like this third one right here. Now, the great thing about Nuri Creator is you can just go ahead and play with the prompts, regenerate the images, and once you get your 40 images, you just put them into your book. So in order to do that, what you want to do is you want to download all of the images. So to make it easy, I just download all the images as a PNG zip. And once you do that, you can go ahead and put it on over to another program. I use Canva to actually put the book together. So on Canva, if you don't have one, you can create a free account using the link down below. You're gonna go to custom size, choose 8.5 by 8.5 inches because this is the book size. Create that new design. Now for the first page, usually is gonna be a book belongs to page. And so all I do is I add a text right here, add a heading, and then I type in this book belongs to, and then I'll just resize it. And then what we can do is we can go to effects, go to hollow, and then turn it into a coloring element right there. And then just kind of make it a little bit bigger, center it, go back to elements here, put a line on the bottom, and then drag it to the other side. And then there you go, there's your first page. Now, the next page is going to be the back side of this page, if you just think about how a book works. So you're gonna add another page. You wanna keep this blank. And so on every odd page, so page number 3, this is where we're gonna wanna put those images that we generate from Nuri Creator. So if we go ahead and drag all of that on the upload section of Canva, you can see it loads all of the images right here. Now all we have to do is one by one go through each set. And so for the first one, I remember I like this one. All we have to do is just extend it to the edges of the page right there. Add a new page. This is the back side of that page. Add another page, page 5. We go to the next set and so on and so forth, and just find the images that work well. Now with this image, you can go ahead and edit, and you can go with this right here, magic eraser, and you can delete the parts that you don't want on this coloring page. And so for example, if I just want to delete all of these right here, we can go easily do that. to clean this image up. And then if we go ahead and erase, it'll just do that in a few seconds. And then there you go. Now we can go ahead and make it bigger, add a page, backside, and then add another page. And you just want to do this with all of the images that you have. Pick out the best ones. Now this is what your book should start to look like. You should have your book belongs to page, followed by a blank page, and then your coloring image, and then blank page, coloring page, blank page, all throughout the book until you have about 80 to 90 pages, which means you have about 40 coloring images. Now, like I said, if you need more images, just go back to Nurier Creator. You can go ahead and clear this prompt list, and you can find more prompts and just keep generating more images to complete your book. But that's really it. Once you have your 80 pages, then all you have to do is hit share, download this as a PDF print, and then make sure you choose all pages, done, and choose CMYK if you're paying for the Pro Canva. If not, you can get away with RGB, and then just hit download. Then all you have to do is create a book cover, which I show you in my free guide. So make sure to download that in the description down below. I use Nurier Creator to craft this book. It's fast, professional, and a game changer. You can check it out in the link in the description. Want the full blueprint? Grab my free KDP guide called the KDP Royalty Roadmap in the description for the step-by-step to create and sell your first book. Also check out my last video on avoiding KDP mistakes. Don't forget to comment your niche idea, subscribe, and let's build your passive income stream one book at a time. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.